Hi everyone, this is John Chapaniak with SkipperBud's out of our Grand Haven location. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on this 2001 Sea Ray 180 bow rider. This boat was bought new from SkipperBud's in 2001. Very well kept, in great condition. Always stored, indoor heated storage with SkipperBud's. Bimini top was added on after the purchase. Looks brand new. Another additional add-on is going to be the depth finder, which is going to certainly help you navigate the waters. Do a quick walk around video of the exterior, and we'll hop in and take a look at the interior. Trailer's in good condition as well. It does have the swing tongue trailer, so it will help with storage purposes. Let's go ahead and jump inside. All right, folks, so now we're in the inside of this 2001 Sea Ray 180 bow rider. Start up here in the bow. Great place to lounge. There's good storage underneath both port and starboard, and then an anchor storage here in the front. You do have your navigation light and then two cleats on port and starboard. It does have a walk-through windshield. There is a cockpit cover and then a bow cover as well. And if you can see how nice and well kept this bimini top is. You have your two captain's chairs facing both forward and aft, both of them which lay down, both port and starboard lay completely down to make a sun pad. They're in the captain's position now. And you have a large sun pad off to the back of the boat where you can actually remove these seats and set them down for additional passengers. There will be pictures to show that. This is your engine compartment here. I will also have pictures. The engine is very clean on the interior. You have a nice ski locker below for wet storage, tubes, additional anchors, etc. Good storage in the gunnels and below your seats. Here's your helm station. Very clean, very simple. Here's your added depth finder. You have a glove box off to the port side where your radio is. A couple different cup holders. Again, this is a very clean 2001, bought new from SkipperBud's. This is Sea Ray's 180 bow rider. To schedule a showing or for additional information, give us a call at 616-997-2628. Again, that's 616-997-2628. Thanks for going through the walkthrough.